Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to delete your booking.com account. Firstly, go to booking.com and sign in using the account you want to delete. Deletion is permanent, so make sure it's the right account. Now click on your profile icon on the top right corner and from the drop down select account. Booking.com doesn't allow direct self-service deletion. Just go to the customer service page and click See All Contract Options. Then choose how you want to reach them, like chat, email, or phone. Now clearly state I want to permanently delete my Booking.com account. Provide verification info if asked, like email linked to the account, booking history, etc. Once processed, you'll receive confirmation, and after deletion, all booking history, saved cards, and profiles are erased and can't be recovered. Just a tip, if you only want to stop emails but keep your account, you can change your notifications preferences instead of deleting your account. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.